Good morning, students. How are you? I'm your Nirali ma'am, maths teacher. I am giving the solutions of your questions which I have given in the form of assignments for lesson number 2, Fun with Numbers. See the first picture. Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli seeds. Here some of the blanks are given and which I am giving the answers. You check your answers also. Blank collected the most seeds. See here, Radhika collected 24 seats, Gauri 47, same with Sunil 38, Indra 54 and Vicky 42. So the answer is Indra collected the most seeds. I know your all answers are right. Correct? Yes, that's the spirit. Sunil will collect blank more seats to be equal to Vicky. Now see, Sunil is having 38 seats and Vicky is having 42. So Sunil needs 4 seats more to be equal to Vicky. So the answer is 4. Yes. If Radhika gets 6 more seats, she will have blank. Now see here. Radhika is having 24 seats. And if add 6 more, then it will be 32. Yes, I know. I was just testing you. The answer is 30. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So Radhika will be having 30 seeds with her. How many children have more than 40 seeds? First Vicky, then second Gauri, and third Indra. So there are 3 children who have more than 40 seeds. Blank needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Now see, already Gauri is having 47 seeds. So if you add 3 in that, so it will be 50 seeds. So Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So the answer is Gauri. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and blank has 2 seeds more than 40. So what is the answer? Yes, Vicky. Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. So the answer is Vicky. I know your all answers are correct. Good. Keep it up. Now see next page, Dhoni's century. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. Now you can see the commentary, what they are speaking. Dhoni on 96, only one ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this, what a marvelous 6. That means he has already completed century. Dhoni scored 96 and 1 6 he done. So 96 plus 6 is equal to 102 runs. Yes. And you all know that century means 100 runs. Now she is asking, has he completed his century? The answer is yes. He has completed his century because 96 plus 6 is equal to 102 runs. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? Now see, runs scored is given. Runs needed to complete a century. You have to write down. How many runs are needed more? See, player 1 is having 93. So you will add plus 7. So you will get 100. So the answer is 93 plus 7 is equal to 100. Player 2 is having 97 runs. So you will add 3 runs. 97 plus 3 is equal to 100. Same way, player 3 is scoring 89 runs. So here you will add 11 runs to make a complete century. And in player 4, 99 runs are scored. So you will add just 1 to complete the century. So first answer, player 1 needs 7 runs. Player 2 needs 3 runs. Player 3 needs 11 runs. And player 4 needs only 1 run. Yes. You all check the answer once again. First answer, player 1 is 7 runs, second 3 runs, third player 11 runs, and fourth player 1 run to complete a century. Yes, students, now see the filling the blanks. 99 to number 112, you have to write in words, and some you have to write in figures. Same way 195 to 206. 99 you will write in words as NINETY, NINE9, 99. 100, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100. 101, so ONE1, HUNDRED, ONE1, 101. Same way, it's very easy to write 102. First of all, you will write ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, TWO2, 102. I'm speaking once again. ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, TWO2, 102. Same way 103, 104, 105. Now here you have to write down in figures. So 1, 0 and 5 makes 105. See, already 106 spelling is also given and figure also given. Now for 107 you have to write in words ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, SEVEN 7. I am speaking once again. ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, SEVEN 7, 107. Now 108 in words it is written and you have to write in figure. So 108. Again 108. Yes, I know your all answers are going correct. That's the spirit. Wow. 109, 110, 111 is already given. Now it's very easy to write down 112. I know before I speak, you all have speak in the video. 112. Yes. 112. That means 112. Now see here it is given from 195 to 206. 195, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, NINETY, 90, FIVE 5. You also speak along with me. 196, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, NINETY, 90, SIX 6. 196, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, NINETY, SEVEN 7, 197. Same way 198, 199. Yes. 199 is the answer in figure 199. Then 200. Everyone knows the spelling of 200? TWO2, HUNDRED, 100, 200. Now 201. And what will come after 201? It is, yes, 202. TWO2, HUNDRED, 100, TWO2, 202. Same way 203 is given. Now how to write 204 in figure? Yes, 204. It's so simple. Wow. I think everyone is getting correct answers. Clap for you. Clap for yourself. Wow. Again now see 205. And 206 is very simple to write. TWO2, HUNDRED, 100, SIS 6. 206. Once again I'm speaking. Check once again. TWO2, HUNDRED, 100, SIX 6. See, you don't make a mistake while checking. Yes. Now what is given here in this box? Read it. Oh, 206. Guess how many more to make a triple century? Triple century means what? 300. So we have to add how many numbers in 206 to get 300? You don't think so that if we minus 300 and 206 you will get directly answer? Yes. So the answer is 94. 206 plus 94, that means it's triple century, 300. Yes students, now let's skip counting in 10 tens. Yes, let me start. See what is given? 10, 20, 30. What will come after 30? 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, and 100, 100. You have to skip 10, 10 numbers. Now next 110 is given. So what will come after 110? It is so simple. You add 10 in 110, you will get 120. So 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Yes, we have to skip in 10 tens. 310. So what will come after that? Yes, I can hear something. 320, 330. Speak along with me. 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, and 400. That means 400. Yes, now see the next line. Oh my god, what is given here? 720. No problem. We have to count 10 numbers backward. So what will be the answer before 720 if you skip count 10 numbers? Yes, 710, 710, that is 710. Yes, you speak along with me. 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, and 800, 100. Wow, I finished the tens. It's relaxed now. See, it is given in that finish line. The two squirrels are holding. Yes, 3 cheers for you all. Now let us count with 50-50. It's very easy. If you count 10, in this you have to count 50's number. You have to add 50-50 or you can jump 50-50 numbers. Yes. Let us start. Speak along with me. What is given here is 200. Then what is given directly? 250. And if we add 50 or if we jump 50 numbers, then what will be the answer? 250 plus 50 is 300. Then 350. Then 400. Then 450. And then 500. The next line is given 550. Again you add 50 in that. It will become 600. Then 650, 700, 750, 800, and last is 850. Wow! I know you all can do it. How far can you go like this? Oh, can you think a biggest number? Okay, it's 990. That's the biggest number. And you can go so on because it is countless. After 950 it becomes, if you count 50 more, then it will become 1000, then 1050, then 1100, then 1150, like that. You can go on. Yes students, now let's see about jumping animals. Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th box, Bunny on every 5th box, and Taru on every 4th box. Gabru starts jumping from number 90, Bunny starts jumping from number 99, and Taru starts from number 106. Now we have to find out the 10th jump of Bunny, Taru, and Gabru. Let's start with Gabru. Gabru 10th jump will be on the number. First jump will be from 90 he will start. So 7 you will add or 7 you will skip. The answer will be 97. Same way 97 plus 7 it is 104. And you will go on adding or you will go on skipping 7 numbers. And when you will reach on the 10th number, that is 10th jump, the answer is 160. So Gabru 10th jump will be on 160, Taru 10th jump will be on 146, and Bunny 10th jump will be on 149. You have to skip 4 number for Taru, 5 boxes for Bunny, and 7 boxes for Gabru. I'm repeating once again the answers. Bunny's 10th jump will be on number 149. Taru's 10th jump is on number 146. And Gabru's 10th jump will be on number 160. Gabru and Bunny both jump on numbers 104, 139 and 174. Find out for Taru and Bunny jump on numbers blank, blank, blank and blank. So the answer will be 114, 134, 154 and 175. 114, 134, 154 and 174. Is there any number where all three of them jump together? Yes. I know you have found out. The answer is 174. Who's got right? Oh my god, you all got right. Wow, good. Guess who will finish in the least jumps? But natural, obviously Gabru. You know why? Because he's jumping 7 numbers. In how many jumps he will complete? 12 jumps. Okay students, we'll meet again. God bless you. Take care. Stay healthy.